Did you know that you can start selling items online, not just t-shirts, but other items online, customized items online without any money out of pocket? All right, so today in this video, I have some samples here from a company that provides print on demand services for you as a small business. And that company is Awkward Styles. So today in this video, we'll be reviewing some products from Awkward Styles, how I was able to order samples, and I'm going to walk you into the computer, show you how we can do the same exact thing to start selling your product online. So we're going to go through the catalog of items that they have on Awkward Styles, and you can decide what's going to be for you. All right, so there's a few items here that I ordered. We're going to go through them. I'll show you the print quality, what method they use, and all of those things there, right? So if you're interested in that, stay tuned in this video. All right, so for people that don't know what print on demand is, right? Let's say you're starting off, you're just in your research stage, just trying to start your t-shirt business. So print on demand is a service. Most people will call it POD. All right, so what it is a service that a company provides. Okay, so they would take over the production of your business. That means there is no inventory in your house, in your store, none of that. They take care of the equipment, they'll take care of the fulfillment, they'll take care of the shipping. All you have to do is market your business. And that's what print on demand is. Okay. So print on demand could be things like t-shirts. You can print on demand mugs. You can print on demand wall art. Stay tuned. We'll be talking about some wall art because we do need to upgrade the studio a little bit. We have a new put some wall art and all that in. So that day I'll be ordering from print on demand company like Awkward Styles. All right. So let's jump right into it. Let's talk about these samples, man. I'll show you different things that I have here. So the first thing, right, when it comes to print on demand, there are different print methods that this company is going to offer you, right? So for a company like Aqua Styles, they're going to offer direct to garment. Most print on demand fulfillment houses are going to give you the direct to garment method. So that's an expensive investment. All right. So you don't have to worry about making that investment. A company like Aqua Styles will be able to help you through that. So they will provide a print quality job like this. So check it out. This one says Million Little Miracles, right? But the thing here is that is good about this print. It is not transfers, right? You can literally see the ink sitting on the edge of this thing. Like you can see the ink sitting on this thing, right? So the print quality here is super nice. So the type of garment that I have, let's see, this is a lane 7. All right, so this is a lane 7 ladies crop top. So that's what it is. You see that one there, but unfortunately, I can't try this one on. Right? It's a crop top, but the print quality is what we want to pay attention to. So I did the same design on another piece of garment that I'm gonna show you in a second. But the feel, it feels good, it looks good, and I know good quality print, man. And sometimes the garment that you use, I did try out a gilding garment here as well, because some people say, oh, because it's gilding, it's not gonna come out good. So we're not only gonna use this Lane 7, which is the higher quality, they also offer the lower quality stuff, but as far as garments, but the print quality is still great on there. All right, so this is the Lane 7, came out good. This is the crop top situation. Feel me? Yeah, that's what that is. Garment feels good. Later on, I might get my wife to try this on and show some samples or pictures or something. All right, so the next garment we have here is the same design. All right, it's the same design here. This is still direct to garment. The print process here is still direct to garment because, like, that's the best method for them to do this high quality print on dark garments. All right. It's not sublimation. We will talk about sublimation. I did test out another product for the sublimation method, and I'll show you that in a little bit. All right. So if you're finding value to this video, go ahead, smash the like button one time. And if you're not subscribed, you might as well just hit that too. But this is the Bella Canvas. This is the Bella Canvas tee. All right. So if you're not familiar with the Bella Canvas, this is a nice fit style, right? I like the Bella Canvas because it fits me nice and tight. We'll throw this one on and you'll see that. Would you wear this print though? Let me know. Would you wear this print? Is this designed for you? All right, so that's that. It feels good. Like the garment feels good. We'll throw this one on. So I'm gonna put that to the side. So I chose this graphic because I wanted to test out Aqua Styles to see if they would print this. Is this something that they're gonna even print, or is this something they're gonna reject because of like, oh, it's Homer Simpson's, right? So I'm glad that the design actually went through. You feel me? There is no particular reason of this design. It's just I wanted to test out and see if they were rejected, and it didn't. But all in all, this is a Gildan crew neck. Like I said, I was trying to test out different product to see how they look on like the lower end type stuff, right? Some of us will call Gildan lower end. But here's what the print looks like on the Gildan. So all in all, the print quality is still on point on here. I can't even tell the difference as far as the print quality. You can definitely tell the difference with the garment feel because there's a gilding compared to a Bella canvas. The next method I wanted to test out here was their sublimation print method. So if you're not familiar with sublimation, it's one of the oldest print method out there, right? But what it is it takes a gassed. It's kind of scientific. You mean so it takes that gas and it turns it into a solid, solid. Okay, so it takes that liquid gas and turns it into a solid. That's sublimation, right? Using heat. And one of the things I was trying to test out was like, I wonder how big can they print? I mean, what type of options do they have there? So I went ahead and I ordered their sublimatable blanket. The blanket. Okay. Now look at the print quality on this thing here. So clean. Yep. So I hope you see that. You can see it like from edge to edge. The blanket itself feels so good. I can cuddle with this one here. Oh, we gotta get up. We gotta get up and get back to work. But yeah, this sublimation. I mean, so I'm not sure if they'll be able to supplement on both sides of these, but it definitely supplements on good side. On one side, good. Corner to corner, edge to edge. There's no white borders or anything on here. One thing Aquastars did do for me when I placed my graphic, it was like cut off on the edge. So they hit me up. It's like, yo, E, did you want this to reach all the way to the end? I said, yes, of course. That was my bad. So if you're sublimation, you want to cover the whole blanket, make sure you cover it from edge to edge in your placement when you're doing it on Aquastar's website. So I'm going to show you some things on their website right now so you can see how you yourself can order samples from Aquastyles and start thinking about how you can start now selling sublimatable items, DTG items, custom items, all different type of items without any cost to you using print on demand from Awkward Styles. So let's jump into on the computer. Yep. So we're over here at Awkward Styles website. So Awkward Styles is a print on demand company and they will do the fulfillment while you worry about the selling. It is 100% free for you to start, zero money out your pocket, zero inventory. And they have over 150 customizable products with zero minimums. Like you can go in and order one item or order 1,000 item. Aquastar is going to take care of you. This is how you can scale your business with confidence, man. You create your product, you connect it to your store, Shopify, Etsy, e-commerce, and then they will handle the fulfillment. You have nothing to worry about, man. Aquastyles has a bunch of products that you can choose from. Hit the link down below. Hit up Aquastyles to get access to their pro plan. Use the code Garment Creations. 60 days free access to their pro plan. All right, so let's go ahead, order some samples from Aquastyles and show you what you can do now to start selling products online. All right, so we're logged into Aquastyles here. First thing I want you to worry about, just make sure your store is integrated with Aquastyles platform, right? So they're able to do this stuff for you. So you hit the integration tab right here on the left side and connect your store. For me, my store is already connected. If I go to stores, you'll see I already have Garment Creations connected here and it's active. Okay, so you want to make sure you have that first. All right, so to order the samples, all we're going to do here, go ahead to product catalogs. Check out the catalogs. what I did with, let's say for example, with the blanket, I went over to home and living. Okay, so home and living tab right here. Underneath home and living, you can see all the different things Aquastar is gonna offer you. Beach towels, pillows. But for me, that blanket thing, I just went over here to blankets. One thing I want you to realize, with your pro plan, you're able to save some money here. So instead of paying $26, you pay $23. All right, so that's the advantage of using Aquastar's pro plan. Wish you can use the link down below. Use the code Garment Creations and get 60 days free. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, select our blanket. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so what you want to do here is design your blanket now. So for example, what I did with the one that I showed you earlier in the video, you have over on the left side, you're gonna add your design. So hit the button there, add your design. I have a library of designs already in here that I've already uploaded. So this was the design right here with Homer Simpson. I'm gonna hit that. And then we want to make sure our actual design fits this entire area because you don't want the white spots. So we're just going to expand this. Make sure it's where you want it to be. Okay, you can adjust it to your liking, but make sure it's from edge to edge. There's no white borders. Everything is good there. You know, or if you know the exact size, you can come down here, type in the exact size that you want. Okay, so let's pretend that our graphic is right there and it's good. So down here, you can see the size. It is going to be a 30 by 40 blanket. So that size blanket we have there was a 30 by 40. And if you look, you can do a preview. If I preview this, right now it's doing this thinking. So once I'm done the previewing, you'll be able to see that. All right, so by previewing, you can see this is what it's going to look like. All right, so right here from preview, you can upload this onto your store because you connected it, integrated it. All right, or you can just place the order. You can create order. All right, so guys, so that's it there. That's how you can now start selling products online using print on demand from Awkward Style. So Awkward Style is going to take care of all of the fulfillments, the shipping, all of the inventories, all of the expenses, everything. You just have to market and let people know about your products. Okay, you can create your store on Shopify. We did that in the last video. If you want to see that, I'm going to link that video down below. Okay, so in our upcoming videos, we're probably going to break it down and get some wall art in here, like I said, in the studio space. So we'll be again using print on demand from Awkward Styles. So in the next video, we're probably going to be ordering some wall art. Okay, so we might start a wall art business. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it. Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, keep firing up the heat press, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.